Well folks, that's me finished in Tarragona. I've done the market and the Roman Amphitheatre, the two things I wanted to do. There is a lot of other things to do in Tarragona, but my time is limited and this was just a wee quick trip for a wee hour or so. So I'm going to head back and I'm going to try and find a taxi. So I thought I'll film it and talk about it as I'm going. Now, I did do a video walking this route coming down. In fact, I'll show you. Look at the scenery. Never mind the tankers. I'll show you a wee bit better. Look at the scenery. The Roman Amphitheatre's over that way. My other video does cover that, it goes away down, and I did another video actually filming walking about. There wasn't a lot to it, it was very, very limited, but for €5, I thought it was worth it. Now I'm back onto this street. This is the main street I walked down, but I walked down on that side, so I'm going to take a wee walk on this side. A wee cafe, restaurant. It's a lovely day, but kind of cloudy up the back there. I went to say a lovely day and I looked up and I saw the clouds. I thought, well, where I was you couldn't see the clouds. Wee cafes and restaurants. There's some on the other side as well, but this looks to be a lot more restaurant-like. So I need to get a fridge magnet. Everywhere I go I get a fridge magnet. You want to see our fridge, it is ridiculous. Let's see if I can get one. Oh, hola. That'd be quite a good wee selection. Oh, hey, thank you. Thank you. Buenos días. Got my fridge magnet. It's a wee bit conscious going in there. With the camera, and I'll try it for a wee bit. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but might get edited. And this is the one I picked. Quite like that. I had to be one with the amphitheatre on it. And that was €5 for that. Right, so let's go. Let's see if we can find a taxi. There's a handbag shop. Lingerie shop. Swimwear. I think it's lingerie. Sushi bar. I just realised I still haven't had anything to eat, so I think I'll finish this video, find a taxi, get something to eat, and then head back to Salou. But I need to find out where the taxi is first, so hopefully there's something near where the taxis are. I have to say, I absolutely love Spain. I really do. And it's good seeing a different part of it. With my channel, I'm going to have to do a bit more. And I have travelled all over. But Spain-wise, I've only really filmed Benidorm. But now I've got Salou and Tarragona. Good man. That was handy. And the striking thing is I've not seen a single taxi. I say that, I think, just as I'm saying that, there's a taxi there. Is it a taxi rank? Oh, it is a taxi. I don't know if it's a taxi rank, but he's available. I'm just going to take that taxi. Well folks, if you've enjoyed this video, check out all my other videos. Thank you very much, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.